On them?
Well, the gas are leaking.
Wow.
It looks like everything. JCCC, everything. Very nice. Can you imagine if I put a turbo on this?
Boy, when you see under the bonnet, there's not a lot of room in there.
Yeah, they can do well with a turbo.
Automatic?
Huh?
Sorry, is it air conditioning?
Yes, I can say.
Alright, this is the assembly before heading out to St. Thomas. We are at the new Kingston Texaco and we will soon be heading out for St. Thomas.
Oh, pero I didn't say bionic.
Yeah, you can put me down some other big cars that I put
Strap down. Yeah, man, strap it down. Yeah? Yeah. But show something else instead. Okay, that'll be a nice price. Yeah, man, the classics. Up there.
Thank you.